So we are back with another video. Okay, brows on fleek. I cleaned them up, tried to clean them out real good. So we are going into some eyeshadow palettes. I'm gonna try my best to hurry up because I'm trying to go out to eat. Well, nothing is open up, but I'm still trying to go out. Okay, trying to get some food. So I'm gonna take my Natasha Denona Sunset palette, and I am going to go into this dark brown right here. I better play with this palette because this palette was $100 and some, honey. Baby, this palette needs to be abused. I'm gonna tap out my lid first. It did good because I allowed it 60 seconds to dry before I even put anything on it. So I think we're gonna do just a basic look. I was gonna do a cut for you all, but I think the cut is gonna take too long because I like to be real precise with my stuff, and I like to take at least 30 minutes on my cut. Okay, already know, if y'all haven't seen the last video, go check the last video out. I will leave it right here so that you go check it out. It's just basically explaining all the brushes that I used with a cut or without, all the brushes that I used to achieve the perfect blend. Alright, so jumping into my Zulu palette, y'all already know I love this palette right here. And then I'm going to grab my Morphe 330 brush. I'm gonna get another palette actually, but I didn't. So I'm bringing out an OD. This is her first palette. This is the Plouise palette, y'all, and I think I'm gonna go on with this color as the lash transition. And y'all know any brush that I take for my lash transition is my Morphe 535 brush, and it's more diffused, so I like it that way. So the brushes so far, I only took these 3 brushes. The 330 brush from Morphe, this is from Makeupaddiction. It's a medium shader brush, and then the last one is the 535 from Morphe, just to do the transition shades. Y'all can do this. Y'all can get these brushes and do these transition shades like almost every day. To make everything look good. We're just bringing in a blending brush to substitute this brush right here, because this brush is a flat brush. It's a medium shader brush, and you don't want that to blend out the brown shade. So Morphe 513 brush,